Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely looking Range Rover Evoque. It's the 2.2 diesel Prestige model. It's got front park distance control, finished in Firenze red with the gloss black alloy wheels. We've got colour coded mirrors, panoramic roof, privacy glass, rear park distance control. It does have a camera as well. Absolutely lovely condition around the car. Boot area is in lovely condition. Full leather interior. It's absolutely lovely condition with the white stitch piping. Panoramic roof there. Got electric memory seats. It's done 77,014 miles. Has just been serviced and has just been MOT'd. Got the Meridian sound system. Paddle shift on the gearbox if you desire. Different driving modes. Climate control, 3-stage heated seats, full menu there. We've got the reverse camera, got the satellite navigation, all the GPS is working and everything. Heated seats that I've showed you, got phone Bluetooth as well. So that's cruise control. It really is a high specification car. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.